You know the look you want. And the new powerful Remington Rapid Cut Turbo makes it so easy to get it. Despite its compact size, the Remington Rapid Cut Turbo packs professional strength with a unique turbo mode for thicker hair. The Rapid Cut Turbo features broad, curved blades that contour beautifully to your head. The compact size and ergonomic shape makes it so easy to operate from any angle. And whether you're cutting long or short, with 12 cone guides, you've got all the options covered. For DIY styling and cutting, nothing beats the Rapid Cut Turbo. You'll save time and you'll save money. Simply rinse when you're done. The Rapid Cut Turbo lithium battery also makes life easy with a 70-minute runtime and a 5-minute quick charge option. Get your you on with the new Remington Rapid Cut Turbo. Available at all good electrical retailers.
The Andis Head Styler 20-piece clipper kit features a powerful high-speed clipper that easily cuts wet or dry hair. The adjustable stainless steel blade provides maximum control over your style, perfect for fades and more. With the Andis Head Styler, you decide. Packed with everything you need to cut hair at home, this 20-piece kit delivers. With an adjustable blade clipper, 12 attachment combs, barber comb, tapered comb, scissors, blade guard, brush and oil, all neatly stored in a protective, sturdy case.